Wow, my hair is insane. In the bad way. Whoa, you're kidding me. Oh, that would be good. Holy shit. This might solve my freaking problem with OBS. Oh my god. Alright. Where... Okay, we're gonna look at Udemy over here. Surely I'm still logged in, thank god. Udemy's website is so badly designed, seriously. So bad. So freaking bad. Okay. What are we doing here? We're doing some... We might actually hop onto the PC here. Oh no, because we need to listen to shit. I gotta get my headphones in then. You know what? Fuck it, we'll just do it. Logging in, boys. We're gonna go to big screen study now. And gonna swap screens here. There we go. Holy, what are we looking at right now? Why is it so zoomed in? What is going on? Xcode should be way smaller. Dude, this thing is so mega bugged. I swear. You can't even wait. You can't even see it. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Holy shit, open up my other screen. Jeez. Grok exercises. Alright, close this off. Close this off. This. Right. Back to the basics for today. This keyboard also seriously messes with my typing these days. I don't know why. Maybe I need to clean it. Gotta blow on it. No notification today if I'm live. Wow. Hello, Aniket. Hold on. I need to... I'm doing good. Pretty good. How are you? I need to Hey Sasha. You know what? I'm just gonna do this on my PC. We'll type on the Mac and work on the PC here. Oops. What have I done? Decently good. The stress and nervousness of starting college is real. When do you start? You're starting soon, right? Are you starting soon? Wait. Five days. Whew. So are you gonna live on campus or something? Just opening a bunch of videos here. Oops. You don't need that one. Close that. Classes. We'll close that. Oh yeah, I need this one. Need this one. This one. Maybe this one too. Actually, this one definitely as well. How have I not gone through these? Oh shit, I have not. Alright. We're gonna go through all this today, I hope. One sec, I'm getting really hot. I'll be right back. Bum 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 bum. Lovely Guild Wars music. All right, here we go. Okay. Well, Okay, one sec. Gonna move this around here. I'm gonna change. Hey, Leo's Bricks. Good to see you again. What is going on? I'm gonna just unplug this. There we go. Xcode is back. Can it get bigger? There we go. Excuse me. Just bringing up my chat on the screen over here because it's hard to see on my laptop. Just found a notes app that is #1 this week, and I don't know how I can't get people to use my code editor. Huh. A notes app is beating your code editor? Well, maybe people need notes more than code editors. Perhaps. It depends who your target market is, right? Oh. You need the right audience, I think. The right screenshots and stuff. Yeah, that could help, actually. That could help. Have you seen the ad for the solo leveling app? Have you seen that? I've seen like 2 ads recently. One for solo leveling, one for another app. Looks so good. Oh, really? It's not even a game, though. It's like... It's a workout app, pretty much, but it's like gamified, I think. Oh. It does say, like... It doesn't say game, right? Hair on my face. I knew there was a hair on my face somewhere. Or... Blank. Array. Type... String. Equals... That's initializing an empty string, right? But this is also initializing an empty string, isn't it? Same thing, isn't it? I believe so. Number 2 is free. Free fire. Oh, that's what you misread. What if I could just put equals blank that? That works as well. But I wonder, you can't just do this, can you? No. So this could be shorthand for, yeah, for the other one. What are you referring to? Oops. You mean the Little Legends app? The one that I've been working on recently for my friend, the startup? Okay, I can show you guys. So, we've been getting this ready recently for submission for our app and project to be submitted and get a grant of hopefully $60,000. Start. Log in. Right, we don't have any settings happening. We don't have anything here. Oh, well, we go somewhere, but it's pointless. So we've got some... You can start a new game. Choose a character. Choose your issue. Choose the page. We'll start from the beginning. Page 1. You'll see the stuff, the comic strip, what's happening, and then you gotta figure out how the character is feeling here. Feeling responsible and sorry, so that's right. Next. Next. Is he feeling silly here? No, he's not. He's feeling frustrated. Next. Got that wrong. Do a few more of these. Go all the way through. And then at the end, it'll tell you how many, which ones you got right and wrong. How many you got right. This screen will obviously be updated. It's not quite perfect. Doesn't look great. And then done. Go back to the beginning. Then you get the classroom insights. You can see which students are doing well, which students doing not doing well. You can see the class average for the last comic. can see which ones answered correctly, and you can go in and see which ones answered incorrectly on each student. And then you've got a student's view where you can see all the students at a glance, correct answers and stuff. And that's it. That's what we've got right now. Thank you very much. You missed the explanation of my entire app that I just finished making. Maybe go back in the video and watch if you want to watch, though. Please, something similar. Mine is for learning for kids. A small project I'm working on. Oh, cool. Nice. What's your project about? Remember the app I'm working, the startup? I just explained that to Leo Bricks. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Site web app where people can choose exercises such as math. Oh, that's cool. Is that just for like your learning purposes to make that? Or is that like an actual product you want to put out there? Oh, that's nice. That's awesome. There's an app that I'm gonna be building soon, or restart building, because I started it a while ago. I think it was very early on my streams I was making it, where you can find all sorts of data about the currently existing alien races that we know of. Maybe I'm gonna add like JSON data of like all the whistleblowers that have come forward, what their statements have been, how you can compare them to other things, other statements that have come out. But I'm gonna start easy and just like put in the alien stuff, the alien species, and you can read up like what is this alien species, or what do we know about this alien species based on testimony. Oh, I might also even put in free energy information as well, but I'm not sure. I'll decide later. Yeah, real aliens. Of course. Why would you think fake aliens? Okay, that was a good video. What is this one? Oh, do you not know about them? Yeah, exactly. You see, when you solve a problem that you have in real life or that someone else has, that's when it gets traction. That's the serious traction. What if it's part of you putting your energy, your solving energy into it, that makes it successful? Wonder if that's it. Okay, that doesn't solve a real problem. I'm not used to it. Well, you will at some point, right? I mean, not to that app, but like, obviously you're gonna find a real world problem that you have to solve, and you'll be like, oh my god, I'm gonna do that because I can. I'm gonna fix it. All right, moving on. All right, we're gonna do another switch one here. Only for lies. I realize I'm not skilled enough yet. Leo, do you do more like, what is your specialty? Is it like web stuff or back end stuff? Or what is it? Like front end, can you do that? Let's see if I can do this quickly before he tells me how to do it. So let's enum weather type case sunny, rainy, cloudy. Var weather equals weather type does sunny. You just gotta try. Sorry, what? It's easy, man, if you not too much leaned on scaling. It's just some crud. Yeah. Only websites. I only do front end and JavaScript. Which also counts as front end programming language. Oh, you could totally do a basic like app like that. It might take a little while, but you could totally do that, right? Hold on. There is no raw value, right? Because I was wanting to do that, but no. I think I need a function. Func. Change weather. Switch weather. Case. Dot. Sunny. Return. Sunny. That's what I wanted. Wait. I expected non-void return. Does it need to be down like this? No. Hold on. What have I done? Right. Local storage. Not design. I create a clone of their website a month. Each backend and functionality is a problem. Oh yeah, you gotta learn the CRUD stuff then, right? CRUD is difficult. And it's not difficult, but it's like tedious to learn, I think. I could create a clone of every website. Just in a Twitter clone if you can't. Yeah, I mean, if you actually want people on there, sure, but like if you want the experience of making one, that's still worth it, isn't it? Or no. What? What does that do? What the hell is this? Weather dot toggle. You can't do that, right? Actually, how would you swap the weather around? To think about that. Start a project now to focus on stuff for other people. Oh, good. That's good then. Yeah, don't bother with that then. Doesn't work, does it? Good night, Leo Bricks. Have a great night. What could I do here to change the weather? He might have, I forget. Hold on, maybe it does work. No? Self isn't mutating function. Maybe it needs to be... I don't know. Oh, there we go. Wait. How would I do this? Oh, you can see his past chats. It's crazy. Bye. We just we want a different. We don't want to return string. We just we want to do something else here. We want so change weather is going to be here. Then we're going to have a separate variable here. Weather, current weather. What? No. Current weather. Oh wait, yeah. Actually. Hold on, was that? I think that's what we wanted. We don't var current weather string. Wait a second. Okay, bye. So we have two things here that weather equals rainy. So when case is sunny, weather will equal rainy. And then in here, we switch on the same weather, where when the case is sunny, we're going to return sunny, and that's going to go straight into here. Could this have been done cleaner? Let me look. All cases dot first index. The current index equal all cases dot first index of self, but next var display name string. Mine was actually cleaner. That's not improved. Yeah, what if I returned type string? Does that work? Yep. So here we would Would we not just put weather.raw values straight in there? That's it. That cleans it up a lot. That's all we needed. Sweet. You don't even have to... Yeah, okay. Did I just get a Discord notification? Oh yeah. Oh, fascinating. I seen how fall through works just now. Oh, fascinating. Fall through. I have an idea. No. It's not what I want to do. I have an idea here. Don't know if you can put an if in here. Does that work? No. I mean, it doesn't really make sense there to do it too, because we need a return value there. I'm over complicating this unnecessary thing that I complicated. Tomorrow will be the same as today. Oh boy. Alright, anyway. Let's make another, let's do this all again. I'm gonna do it all again. Need to practice this. So let's make an enum of superheroes. Spring. And what's the case? Superman? Batman, Wonder Woman. Holy shit. What is this? Venom, Venom 2, Venom 3, Venom 4, Venom 5, Venom 6, Venom 22. And why is that all, why is it all Marvel, huh? That's weird. Metamorpho. Oops, I made a mistake there. Text. Your team today. Today you... Hi, debate. Are partnered with so we're gonna make a variable superhero type superheroes equals Superman. Super superhero.raw value. Even though there's no raw value, Superman equals Batman equals Metamorpho equals Wonder Woman. I put an extra thing. Button. Select your hero. Select your hero. Funk. Change superhero. So we want to switch, I think, on superhero. Case.superman. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe we want to make this. This will basically. Oops. So this button, we need to make this in that state so it can change. This will change it. And then we want the button to change superhero. How would I randomize it? There's probably a way to do that, but I can't think of how to do it right now. That's fun. And then select your hero. Now I actually want to make this a picker. Now, I wonder if I can do that. Picker. Let's undo this and make a picker. Selection content label. Selection superhero content label. Does that work? Yes, it does. Hello, welcome back. Text. Select your hero. Dot font dot large title dot bold dot heading dot background color dot indigo dot in rounded rectangle, corner radius 10. I ate too much. You're so fast that you did that. Fuck, I forget how to set up a picker. Hold on. I know there's a picker in here. PPPPP, picker bootcamp. Picker 1. Selection label content. Picker 2. Selection label content. Label is the visual, right? And then the content is the content is the okay. So the label doesn't even show up. Does this tab thing do anything? Does that help? No, so you can't access these. Picker, I've been good and bad at doing picker before. Let's go into picker bootcamp again. That should work, right? Does it not? You gotta get rid of the label. What are we missing here? Now it announces that I'm on Discord. Picker selection. Oh, you need a name. Okay, it only show. Oh, hold on. It shows. It would show, except for. It depends on what it's switching on this. So, I think maybe it needs to be an array of superheroes. Or maybe that won't work. That doesn't make sense. Well, it does make sense, but equals. Oh, yeah, that works, I think. What headphones do you use for neck bands? What's a neck band? I'm using Logitech G something. Logitech Pro. Whatever the Pro one is. I forget the number. Do we not? Maybe we don't even use a thing here. Holy. Today you're teamed up with Superman. That should be randomized, right? Is it? No. There you go. I think that might work. Yeah. So it doesn't change the. Did I ask? Don't know neckbands? No. That's what you're building right now. No. I'm not building anything, I'm just studying. Oh, I see your neckband, yeah. Okay. I prefer AirPods. That's my item of choice. Wait a second. So I need the index there, and the index is random. Okay, so it does randomize it, but we don't want it to be random. We actually want it to be we don't want to actually maybe we don't want to use a switch because I can do a switch. But what are you studying? I'm studying switch statements at the moment, but just Swift concepts. Have everything wired to your phones. Winds, no need to wait for them to charge. Ready anytime. Anywhere. Wait, do you only use wired ones or are they wireless? We don't want index here, actually, I don't think. Both wired earphones and wireless. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, AirPods are good in my opinion because you can just chuck them back into the thing. You don't have to think about charging them. But they are limited in a finite amount of power, obviously. I forget. Okay. Select, right? We're on select. You can select. Then for each of options, 1 to 40, option tag option. So selection, let's say var selection. No, we're using this, so we have the values here already, and I mean that is basically what we want, right? But we need I mean you can select here, but it won't update this text here, which is hold on. Text. It's there, but it's not visible. What? Why? Select a superhero. Right. for each for each of the options, so for each of superhero, display a text option. Oh, maybe we put... I don't know. Get rid of that padding. It shows it in the freaking thing, though. That's not what we want. Today you're teamed up with... It's out of control. Rise and shine. Good morning. Good sir. Brother, what am I doing wrong here? What am I missing? Pick your name. Selection by selection is string. Selection is superhero. Okay. Let's change this to be equals dot of type superheroes equals dot Superman. Let's say that. And then let's say at state var superheroes type superheroes. There, all those. Oops, no. Superhero.raw value works there, but superheroes dot dot wait, if we do the count, that's just that won't work. Oh yeah, whoops, I'm doing it wrong. Superhero dot raw value. Okay, we have all of them there. Oh, it works now. You can choose who you want it to be teamed up with. Good morning. So I think we need a dot tag. Superhero dot raw value, right? But we can't. Oh yeah, we need the first. Today you're teamed up with. I think I can put a switch statement in here. I'm just critically thinking here. Although I don't know if this is gonna work. No, I don't actually don't want it won't work because we have to have a state property to change the value. I don't know. It's definitely not morning for me. It's like afternoon, late afternoon. No jobs happening yet. Waiting for responses from him. So yeah, not really doing anything. Getting our submission in soon for the thingy, the grant. We'll see how it goes. Why? Okay, I'm glad this works now. You literally cannot select it. Oh, there you go. But this now does not, whoa. This now does not change the thing. So we're picking on selection. And you have the text select a superhero you can select. But upon selection, it works like down here. But it doesn't alter the value. I want to check this into AI and see what I'm doing wrong here. So it should, I'm pretty sure this should be superhero because we are swap. Or it should be superheroes? Would that work? No, maybe not. That works. But it doesn't at the same time. identifiable conformance. You can set up, okay. I'm learning here through AI a little bit. Var ID equals type string raw value? What does that mean? Does that work? No. What does that do? Oh, that goes into here. Apparently. Var ID type string raw value. So you can put that in there. Okay. So the ID is the raw value, so I don't have to do the tag, I guess, every time like that. Thinking of starting freelancing. You should. That'd be fun. Yeah, it'd be pretty fun. State var selection type string equals Superman. Select a hero. How did that update like that, though? Dot tag string dot none. So that works, but there's still no text here, and it doesn't change yet. Oh, right. We have to have a... Is that right? Okay. So we have to set this up to be a question. A thing like that. And we don't need that, I think. Is that right? Selected hero. Type superheroes. And then it's going to be superheroes. Might have no value. Man, I still need to get used to. Oh, yeah, agency. I don't want to follow Upwork route. That's fair. That's a good idea too. And on selected hero, today you're teamed up with no one. Tag superheroes.none. Select superhero. Still can't select one. For each superhero.superhero in superhero.rawValue.tag superheroes.sum superheroes.sum superhero. Okay, so that works, but I've never learned that. I've never learned that before. Oh, interesting. So the state private var select the superheroes initializes the picker's selection to nil, which corresponds to selection. Which corresponds to select the superhero option tagged with superheroes.none. So superheroes.none is basically equals nil, which is this, the tag. Since selected superhero is nil, initially the picker shows select superhero associated with the tag. When you select a superhero and the picker selects superhero updates to a non-nil superhero's value, e.g. .superman, and the text view updates to show today you are teamed up with Superman. The picker uses binding selected superhero, which is of type superheroes, to allow nil for the placeholder. The for each iterates over all options, with each option tagged as superhero to match the optional type. The placeholder option select superhero.tag superhero none is included as the first option, allowing the user to revert back to the placeholder. So you can revert because it's an optional, and it's you either get the raw value or you get nothing with a nil coalescing. Let's collapse state. Non-optional selection with default. There's another version you could do here. Wait, what? What's this version? So picker could be have no text. Then you've got selected superhero. Superman, not a question. Set this to we don't use that. For each superhero in superhero.rawValue.tag superhero. And then we get rid of that, obviously. Dot raw value. So this works, but it has a default thing here. This is the version where there's no placeholder. In reality, you could just chuck a placeholder in here, right? To make it easy. But that other version creates a way to actually do it with, you know, a placeholder. Some of the pickers that was hidden. Malicious hero. Could you incorporate a switch here for easier use? That's not, yeah, it's pointless actually. You do a switch statement on the text, literally. All right, well, done with that, I think. We moved straight away from switches to like pickers. I clearly have ADD. So let's delete that. Let's delete that. We don't need this enum anymore. Let's make another quick switch. So make an enum of enum days string case Monday. That's fine. Text. Today is what's DSA again? Now I don't want to. I want to switch. I think day of the week. This is going to be a function. We're going to create that here. Func day of the week, return a string. No. What the fuck is that? I know what it is, but I don't know what that. What's that EEE thing? Why would I want that? That's not what I want at all. Today is Tuesday. Oh, it literally shows the. Okay. That's fine. That's not what I want though. Switch on. State var day type days equals Monday. Switch on day case dot mon return Monday case dot to return Tuesday case dot Wednesday case dot third return Friday. What? Fry, return Friday. Case dot or default. Return Sunday, sure. Okay. Data structure. Not solve. A 1000 ELO question. 1000 ELO question? I don't even try solving shit like that. Day of the week is Monday. Button. Change day. Didn't I make an easier version of this before? But I can't really. That's funny. I solve in C++. If you ever come to it, you need either C++, Java, Python, or JS. Well, we'll see what I come to, won't we? How would we incorporate an input into here? We could put like day selection. I don't know how we would do that or if it would be even purposeful. Here when crowd goes to either Java or C++. Oh. Crowd goes? Most people? Oh, okay, yeah. For the solving. doing right now is baby level DSA. Real DSA comes after this, where most people quit. Oh. Well, you're here with the strong people that don't quit, right? We're not gonna quit. We're not quitting. Speaking of quitting, I actually have to go soon to do Uber Eats. Tuple, tuple, tuple. So remember, to make this cleaner, we just do equals Monday. Let's see if it can auto complete this for me. Two equals Tuesday. There we go. Now we can get rid of. We can actually get rid of this function, right? And the function will now be change day. It's not going to return a string, and it's just going to do this. It's going to switch on here, change day, switch here, and then this is going to be day dot value, I think. Is that right? Oh, oops, what? What? Wait, what? This? This? Wait, what? What's going on here? Oh, we're missing a... Holy shit, what's going on here? What have I done? Oh, we're missing it here. Holy shit. There you go. That should work. Don't quit. Smash my laptop smithereens. Please don't. You got this. So now it swaps. That's great. And we have one switch. We've simplified it. Good. These probably can get much more complicated. Let's do another one here. Let's create a function. My name turns a string, right? And put first name type string, last name of type string, and then we put, how do we do this? first name plus last name. Okay. Text my name. And I can place in the name. Okay. But we want to do this differently. My name. Oh yeah, hold on. We can do this more simplified. I want to do it here. Var name equals my name. Does that work? No, right? Needs the arguments. But how do you do it? Oh, maybe you don't return anything. Is this right? No. Let's see how we do it. Oh, hold on. I've done it wrong. I've done it reversed. Let's see. If my name return first name string, last name string. And then you set first name type John, last name Newman. That's crazy. You can return with names. I haven't done this before. Func my name returns first name string, last name string. First name John, last name Newman. Let name equals my name dot first name. You can't do that either. Why does it not let me do this? Func my name John Newman. Func my name. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. Apparently we can write just this and then just this. So that works still. Print name dot first name. Huh. The orange, he looks good. Oh, thanks. It's just a classic light over there. Basic light. Why does this not work? Does it maybe maybe it needs to be within the actual confines of this? There you go. So that works. But I don't know in what scenario I would ever use this, to be honest. Like, what? And it doesn't work. You have to make the variable within there. Return? Return what? Just checking what's the point of this in AI. Okay. Okay, so you will use this perhaps to pass data when you don't want to fully make a structure class for it. Tuples are lightweight and don't require defining structure class. In my example, I avoid creating a name struct just to hold first name and last name. Clarity and function output. Name tuples, first name, string, last name. Make the return value self-documenting. You know exactly what the first name and last name represent when accessing first name and last name. Right. But you preset that in the function, right? So it's more readable than returning an array or dictionary where the orders might be ambiguous. Imagine building a SwiftUI app that displays user profiles. Instead of hard-coding names, you fetch them from a function. Fetch user returns first name string, last name string, age, int. You can use the tuple in a view to display Jane Doe, age 30. You'll have detailing define a user struct, which overkill for simple display. Difference between creating name versus inside set by running. Recomputations, that's my name. If my name used at state variables or external outputs, defining name in body shows it reflects the latest values. Keep name scope to body, reduce clutter in the struct, suitable for dynamics. Cons recomputes my name on every render. Should be inefficient for complex logic, can't be used at the body. And my name again. The only other option is putting it outside in a struct as a property. What does it do if I put that out there? What does it say again? can't do that. Right, so the function is not allowed to be called outside of the body because it's it's initialized when the struct is created, then the function is run after that, so it can't possibly work. It has to be initialized. Okay, now I understand this. That's great. All right. And apparently you could even go name dot 0 and name dot 1. That works too. Wait a second. Oh, you could do it like just this. And then it would still work as the function, like name dot 1. There it is. Now you can see it. But if we just go back, we're gonna learn something else here. We can pull it out separately, so we can go let first name equal name dot first name. Let last name equal name dot last name. We can pull them out. What language are you coding in? SwiftUI, Swift language. Then we can chuck in here first name and last name, right? Same thing. There you go. This is like almost pointless. iOS exclusive language. Correct. Yeah. Thank you for the info. Whoa, here's gonna be a complicated one. That looks weird. Let first name, last name equal my name. It does the exact same thing. It pulls it out to two separate variables. And it just... I wonder if it just shoots it out like that. And apparently, if we don't, if I don't want first name, if we don't want last name, we can get rid of last name, and we can just use an underscore because we don't want it. Doesn't value. All right, guys, I have to go. Gotta get ready for Uber Eats deliveries. Make some real money today. Oh, had a good study session. Yeah, and soon I'm gonna sort out our 1,000 subscriber stream. I will sort that out, promise you guys. I'm just trying to find the right day to do it. And we can all hop into a Discord call. We can all chat if everyone wants to, and do it live as well, so everyone can be on the stream. Well, some people do apparently. It was suggested by Vincent actually, who is meta something on. That's all right. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking that maybe I'll just do, maybe that won't be the 1,000 stream, but it'll be, maybe I'll just run an event on Discord for people who want to like chat. But like, yeah, then I gotta think of something for the 1,000 stream, to be honest. I still haven't been able to figure it out. It's like, what? I don't know. I might ask AI again for some ideas, because brother, if I had that, I would... Who am I kidding? I'd probably still be here. I don't know. I'll think about it. Alright, see ya, buddy. And goodbye, everyone else. Thank you, everyone, who stopped by today. Much appreciated. See you in my next one. Bye.